So guys, in our last video we uploaded about the Enugu International Market. One of our real guys, yes, requested for this video. He wanted to have an update on what the Lion Business Park looks like now. So today we decided to take a trip all the way from Enugu main town to 9th Mile just to see what this business hub looks like now. See the progress of the work so far. So as you can see, we drove through this very good road all the way to Lion Business Park.
So guys, yes, as you can see, we drove through this road just to bring you this video. In fact, the road was so lonely that at the point I was almost turning back, like, is this not the kidnappers then, you know now. So but we finally got to our destination, and here we are at the Lion Business Park. So guys, if you are seeing this video and you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much for always supporting us and for always having our back. And if you are seeing this video and you are yet to subscribe to our channel, I don't really know what you are waiting for.
Please subscribe.
Please do well to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be part of our big family. So we are already inside the premise of the Lion Business Park. There is no there was nobody at the post, but there were security details there to show that yes, security people were mounting the post, but none was there when we drove in actually. So yeah, this is the main building of the park, as you can see, and parked our vehicle and we tried to get in to see what is happening, but the place was closed and it was locked, probably because it's a Saturday. Yeah, we went there on a Saturday. Maybe because if it was a Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, probably activities will be on, but it was closed, so we had to just do a drive around the environment. Yes, it's actually a large marks of land that this is actually occupying, and from information gathered, you know, the commissioning has been done officially, and they're actually waiting for investors to come invest in it. So calling on all type of entrepreneurs, all type of businessmen to come make this a hub as far as the southeast is concerned. Yes, it's open for all kinds of business and for all kinds of investors to come in. And from information gathered, they are actually also planning to have an estate at the extreme back of the park actually. So we actually met some of the surveyors on ground, and they are actually trying to measure units of apartments, units of lands just here and there inside the building. So they already started their own work at the extreme end of it. So we just did a drive around to see which company has actually come into the park. But from observation, none actually have their presence on ground. But the only one I observed that was much more visible was the what's it called, aluminium roofing sheet company. I think they already have one of their stand there, and I believe they've already secured their spot, and probably manufacturing of those stuffs will start around here pretty soon. And they also got information that Zenith Bank as well has also purchased some piece of land here to erect their bank as business commerces around this region. Yeah, nothing much is happening around now. Nothing much is really happening now, but I believe sooner or later, time to come, there will be massive activities and massive business going on around this place. Yes, really massive ones. Yeah, a lot of other companies. We spoke one of the security personnel while we were about leaving, and they actually gave us some brief details about one or two companies that have actually found their presence in the place.
From what I see now, mainly people say Dangote they don't come here for cement. But no company don't come in yet.
Even Zenith Bank, they have land here.
Okay. But like I see people when they do zinc.
These people now, people sometimes measuring something. They want to big estate the other side.
The other side.
There is one past the seminary school. There's one place that doing layouts.
Okay.
The big estate there, so they're measuring side of the houses. Yeah, you know what to do.
Okay. I just call 9th Mile. I say make I come observe the place. Can they hear about and hear about that?
So, like you can hear, that was his voice. I didn't want to turn the camera to him, and that was his voice at the background over there. So he said companies are coming. You know, he's the one at the security post now, so he tends to see the people firsthand before any other person. So he said people are coming, companies are coming to actually secure their spots. So I believe as time progresses, activities will be more by the time these companies are mounting their structures and bringing in their machines for the activities. Yeah, I think the only thing I would say that the state government needs to do is in regards to the road leading to this place. Yes, they're really
bad.
Yeah, very. It's not as if it's extremely bad, but it's not a good drive at all, and it's a very lonely part, probably because activities is not yet going on very well around the place. It's kind of scary for those who don't know the park to be coming for the first time.
I also feel like a lot of awareness needs to be created about this park, because when we got into 9th Mile, we're trying to ask around, okay, this is where we are going to, and funny enough, the first set of people we spoke to didn't even know something like that existed in 9th Mile, and they stay in 9th Mile. So I think lots of awareness needs to be created concerning this, because this is a huge opportunity, and there'll be a whole lot of people that want to be a part of it, but then they might not just be aware. So the government just has to create awareness, and we in our own little part, even with this video, we are doing that.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, awareness is very important. Yeah, I forgot to mention that. Yes, those guys were there. In fact, they were totally lost when we asked them about the park, and we were at night when we were asking them just for direction. We had to use Google at the end of the day, and Google Map brought us safely to this point. In fact, when we were being led by Google Map, I was scared of the road actually, because it was lonely. It
didn't look like anything was happening there.
It was so dry. No vehicle were coming, no vehicles were going. The whole place was just so very, very, very dry, and the road was also looking bad, so you cannot really run fast, and it was bushy, So I think awareness, like she has said, needs to be seriously created. So if you have stayed with us, thank you very much.
So much.
We appreciate you for always supporting our channel and viewing our videos. And if you are watching these and you've not clicked the subscribe button, please do well to click. We'll catch you guys in our next video.
Bye.